Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Steam download speed slow fix. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is open up Steam. Then you're going to go to the top left corner and then click on the Steam icon. Then you're going to click on Settings. Now what you want to do is look for something which says Downloads. Now here where it says Download Region, make sure you choose the region which is closest to you. So mine is South Africa, Johannesburg, and then you're going to click on this downward arrow to choose the place closest to you. And if you go down here, limit download speed, make sure that this is toggled off, and then schedule auto updates, make sure that's off as well. And then here, allow downloads during gameplay, you're going to select that. It says if this is enabled, Steam may initiate or continue downloading updates while you have a game or other Steam applications running. Now here, throttle downloads while streaming. If this is enabled, Steam will limit download speed to maintain a high quality Steam remote play experience. So what you want to do here is make sure that you toggle this off. And then the last thing that you want to do is go to this heading which says clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So you're going to clear cache. Then it'll say clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? And then you're going to click on confirm. And then once it's done, you're going to open up Steam again and then log in with your details and your problem should be fixed. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.